da poca picchita va bene. Se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da bene in capo di I love you. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.
So, tandaan lang natin na tayo mismo ang karpentero sa sarili natin kung hindi natin mismo ayusin yung ating sarili, wala tayong patutunguhan. For all ed markers, those who are not yet crowns, you just focus on what you are doing today, especially our Edmark business. There's no way but to go up.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody because dahil sa Edmark, I was able to reach yung dream ko talaga. Thank you so much po. And for all the Edmarkers and all my downlines that made it possible for me to become a crown manager this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Papasalamat ko sa Panginoon na binigyan po kami ng na hindi kami pinabayaan. Nagpapasalamat ako kay DCM Abby na hindi rin niya ako pinabayaan hanggang ngayon. Tumutulong pa rin siya sa amin at sa pamilya namin. Kung walang Edmark, wala din kami dito. Hanggang ngayon, nasa ibang bansa pa rin kami nagtatrabaho.
My testimony is a testimony of how people in Edmark really have the heart to help others. Just hold on to your dreams, yung quiet ninyo ng pangarap kasi with effort, with focus, matutulungan din po kayo ng Panginoon. I am thankful for the opportunity to be here, for people who supported me, for friends that I have met in the business.
We would like to thank you, Edmark, and everybody sa Pasay Edmarkers. So, we are aiming na in December, in the end of the year, at least makaproduce pa kami ng another 5 crown managers. Thank you.
I think this is payback time, right? I have to give back the glory to God for bringing me up here in this stage. First and foremost, really God, thank you very much. Then of course, headed by our president, Mr. Joey Orquia and Ma'am Vilma Suldao, the Edmark group of companies, staff, all over the world. They are really outstanding. Thank you for that. Thank you for, I know you in one way or another, you taught me how to do this business very well, to follow the system. And I really admire you because you showed me the way. Thank you for your time, for listening. I welcome you all and thank you for this opportunity. To God be the glory.
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.